Based on the panicked look on his face, it seems that this may have been a hit and run in the process. He's gone for the wild card approach of reversing badly at speed. A true maverick, if you will. This drunk driver totaled the camera's car and then he ran on foot, causing this, but left his wallet and ID in the driver's seat, which caused the case to be easily handled with the authorities. The driver speeds in the rain and then hydroplanes, causing him to skid off the highway and roll over. While the car was totaled, the driver and animal in the grass was fine. The truck crossed the gore not once, but twice while going at a significantly high speed. This was the video that just kept on giving. What was going through this guy's brain completely stumps me. Certainly not object permanence. The van pulled off the road into a parking spot just on a large bit of pavement. The blue van driver should get points and a fine as a bare minimum. He could have easily killed pedestrians and the cyclist here.
Cocoa Puff sweet bitches make you wanna eat bitches, but not me. That niggas eat off the plate all you want, but not me. I fuck with these hoes from a distance. The instant they start to kiss feelings, I start to stealing they shit. Then
On the bright side of things, at least the BMW driver used their turn signals. An update on this BMW driver is that he was caught for dangerous driving, faced a significant fine, and had 6 points deducted on their license. Wow, even the officer was like, really? You're gonna put me on the spot like that? All that driver had to do was wait a few more seconds as it turned green as soon as he ran it. The truck driver had no intention of stopping after I watched the video a few times. The camera had a lucky escape, but so did the pedestrian with the child on her back. I'm glad that no injuries occurred. If someone's going to dangerously cut someone at night, in the pouring rain, the least they could do is commit to the turn, but this driver couldn't even do that.
Là, je suis dans la lumière devant vous, mais en vérité, moi, dans la vie de tous les jours, je suis quelqu'un de très timide et de très réservé. J'aime pas attirer l'attention sur moi. Moi, si j'avais un enfant dans un train qui crie, je sais pas comment je réagirais, quoi. Je prends souvent le train pour aller travailler en France et je voyais un papa, il était dans le taillis,
To be fair, the camera did aggressively change lanes, and it seems like he had some quite dim lights. Overall, the driver trying to change lanes should have been more cautious as well. Thankfully, no accident happened.